Tired of messy integrations and complex automation deployments? Let's untangle your workflow woes by running N8n locally, giving you the power to build and test automations risk-free. First, ensure you have Node.js and npm Node Package Manager installed on your system. If you don't, head over to Node.js and download the latest LTS version for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions provided on their website. Next, open your terminal or command prompt, type npm install N8n and press enter. This command globally installs N8n on your machine, making it accessible from any directory. Wait for the installation to complete. This might take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, simply type N8n in your terminal and press enter. This command starts the N8n server. You'll see a series of messages in the terminal indicating that N8n is initializing. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost5678. This is the default address where N8n runs locally. You should now see the N8n interface, ready for you to create your first workflow. Now you can start building and testing your automations. Experiment with different nodes, connect them together, and see how your workflows perform in a safe, local environment. This is perfect for refining your integrations before deploying them to a live server. That's it. You're now running N8n locally. You have complete control over your environment, and you can iterate and improve your workflows without affecting any live systems. Happy automating!